Can Sol reach $1,000 this cycle? In the app's Everything Aligned scenario for Q3 2029, Sol reaches about $993, turning $5,000 today into more than $63,000. That is the kind of number people screenshot, but it means nothing without the assumptions underneath it. This is not a prediction, it's a scenario model, and every input can be inspected and challenged. So let's step down to a strong cycle and open the model behind the number. Most price targets start with the final number. Cycle potential shows a calculation from the beginning. First cycle strength sets a possible total value of the entire crypto market. A stronger cycle means a larger market. A weaker cycle means a smaller one. Next, the model estimates what percentage of that market could belong to Sol. Total crypto market multiplied by Sol's share gives Sol's implied market cap. Market cap is not the token price, it's the total value of all Sol tokens combined. Then the model estimates how many Sol tokens could exist in the selected quarter, including inflation and unlocks. Finally, implied market can divided by projected supply equals the scenario price per token. More tokens means the same value is spread more thinly, so each token is worth less. That is the full chain. Total crypto market, Sol shares, implied market cap, future supply, and price. Every step can be inspected and challenged. Before we continue, the app has two token universes. Solana ecosystem keeps you inside the Solana ecosystem. Sol and projects built around Solana, such as Jup, Ray, and Pit. Global crypto zooms out to independent assets and networks, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Hype. Use Solana ecosystem to study opportunities inside Solana and global crypto for a broader market view. Both views use the same scenario, date, and investment controls. Each token still keeps its own assumptions. One of those inputs is time. Instead of jumping straight from today to one perfect top, the timeline shows how the same Sol scenario develops quarter by quarter. You can move from today through the expected halving and into the potential peak window. The investment field keeps the result practical by translating the token estimate into a potential position value. It is still a conditional estimate, not a fair value claim and not a price prediction. Now let's compare three very different bets, Sol, ETH, and Bitcoin. Same $5,000, same strong cycle, same Q2 2029 date. The warning, a bigger modeled return usually means more risk. Sol and ETH show more modeled upside here, but they also carry different execution, adoption, and network risks. Bitcoin may rank lower, but still is much more established, so more safe and lower risk. So this is not a best token ranking. The market environment, date, and investment stay fixed, while each token keeps its own share and supply assumptions. Take it with a grain of salt. More modeled upside does not mean less risk, and the ranking is not a recommendation. So can Sol reach $1,000? I do not know, but now you can see exactly what would have to be true and which assumptions you disagree with. Try your own scenario on cyclepotential.com, share your favorite scenario, and let me know which token or assumption I should add next.